Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off iPhone camera shutter sound on any iPhone. Now to turn off the camera shutter sound on the iPhone, you will have to turn off the media sound on your iPhone. Now if you want to automate this action on your iPhone, first of all, just open the App Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app. Now, as you can see, I have already installed this app on my iPhone. If you have not installed it yet, just tap on install. Now, once the app is downloaded, just tap on open. Now, on this page, just tap on automation, then tap on new automation. Now from here, just tap on the search bar and search app. Now just tap on app, and from here, just tap on choose. Now on this page, just select the camera app, then tap on done. Now once you select the camera app, after that just select when the app is opened, and after you do that just select run immediately. Now once you do that, just tap on next and select create new shortcut. Now in the search bar just search this. Now just tap on set volume. Now from here just set the media volume to 0%, just like that. And once you set the media volume to 0%, just tap on done. Now as you can see, we have created a shortcut that when we open the camera app, the media volume will be set at 0%. Now once you create this shortcut, after that just tap on the plus icon, and in the search bar just search app. Now just tap on app, and from here just tap on choose and select the camera app. Now just tap on done. Now instead of when opened, just select when closed. After that, just select run immediately, then tap on next. From here, just tap on create new shortcut, and in the search bar, just search this. Now just select set volume. Now this time, instead of 0, just set the volume to 50 or 70% as you like. Then tap on done. Now what we basically have done, that we have created two shortcuts. Now the first shortcut is that when we open the camera app, the media volume should go to 0. And the second shortcut or the automation is that when we close the camera app, the media volume should be set to the percentage which we have set. Now let's test if this shortcut is working. Now as you can see, I will set the volume at 100%. Now as we open the camera app, as you can see, the volume is set to 0. And as you can see, we have successfully turned off the camera shutter sound on our iPhone. Now as I close the camera app, the volume is set to the percentage which we have set in the Shortcuts app. And this is how you can turn off iPhone camera shutter sound on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.